Yo, Zelda fans, a new Hyrule Warriors game just dropped an epic trailer, but fans are roasting it online. Is this Legend of Zelda spin-off a hit or a miss? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this fiery Nintendo drama. Nintendo's 30-minute direct unveiled Hyrule Warriors: Age of Imprisonment, a prequel to Tears of the Kingdom coming to Switch 2. But the trailer sparked a fan frenzy, some love it, others are throwing shade. Want to know why? Keep watching. Hyrule Warriors: Age of Imprisonment, developed by Tecmo Koei's AA Game Studio, follows 2020's Age of Calamity. Set as a prequel to 2023's Tears of the Kingdom, it promises canonical events leading into the hit Zelda title. Expect hack and slash action with iconic characters, including the return of Fi, the Master Sword Spirit, stirring major fan buzz. The trailer, shown during Nintendo's Direct, got mixed vibes on Reddit. User was shocked, saying somehow 30,000 years later, Fi returns. Another joked Fi's back just to tell us our batteries are low. Some called F5's return a cute reference that might flop, while Iron Argan noted Nintendo's emphasis on canonical events to avoid Age of Calamity's backlash. And one doubts a 2025 release, predicting a later launch. Hyrule Warriors: Age of Imprisonment could be a bold addition to Zelda's legacy, blending Dynasty Warriors-style combat with Tears of the Kingdom's lore. But with fans split, some hyped, others skeptical, Nintendo's got a lot to prove on Switch 2. Will this spin-off live up to classics like Ocarina or Breath of the Wild? Hyrule Warriors: Age of Imprisonment hits Nintendo Switch 2 this winter, maybe 2025 or later. With fan debates raging, this game's a must-watch. Are you excited for Fi's return or side-eyeing the hype? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Hyrule Warriors: Age of Imprisonment's trailer and fan roast. Are you hyped for this Zelda spin-off or joining the Reddit shade? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.